Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the CCI Stochastic indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the CCI Stochastic indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 317 indicators, and out of those 317 indicators, 129 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 129 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the CCI Stochastic indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Setup on this is relatively easy. So we have the oscillating line here. We have an overbought and oversold area. And so when the oscillating line gets up above the red line here, that means that we are in overbought territory, and we are looking for the oscillating line to break back down below the red line. In reverse, when the oscillating line gets down below the green line, we are in oversold territory, and we are waiting for the oscillating line to break back up above the green line. That would be a long signal. And that's pretty much how we are going to test it today. So let's get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we've dropped all the way down into the green side here, and so this is oversold, and we are looking for the green line to pop back up above the, or the oscillating line, I guess I should say, to pop back above the green line here. And when it does that, it will turn from green to gray. And so let's continue to track it here, and it gives us our signal. Get on the right line here. Gives us our signal right there on that one. And it looks like we got stopped out on that one. Yes, we did. All right, so first signal, and that one got us stopped out. Now, do note that shortly after, it was able to kind of round that that bottom there and then pop its way back up there for at least a little bit of an upward move. All right, so over here on this side, we get a short signal right there, and you can see that one gets us to take profit. So nice there. All right, over here on this side, we pick up a long signal right there, and this one, once again, it's gonna stop us out almost immediately. We get a heavy pullback on, or a heavy bar that pulls back there. And notably, again, shortly after, it was able to make its way for a little bit of an upward move there, at least as far as we can tell. Not sure how far this one's going to go. Let's continue to play it on here. All right, over here, we pick up a short, and that one, once again, gets us to take profit. So, moving along nicely here. Pick up a long over here, right on that one. Just double check, yep. And looks like we don't quite make it to take profit, I don't think. We did, it was close, but yep, we did barely squeeze out a take profit on that one. So, continue to play it forward here a little bit. Pick up a long right about there, and that one got us to take profit also. Continue on here, so we pick up a short signal here on that one, and that one gets us to take profit. So, all right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut some of the video out here so that way it doesn't get too long. We'll pick this back up when we're a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish out. Let's see, did we pick up one more before the end of the year? Nope, we did not. So that puts us at the end of the year right there. All right, so now would be a good time to say that if you are looking to increase your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. To do that, you just join our Patreon. You can find a link to it down below in the description. It's really super cheap. In our Patreon channel, we are posting some really advanced information. We have things also like a list of a lot of the winning indicators that we have tested here on the channel for the MT platforms. So if you are avid user of the MT platforms, then that list could be very helpful to you to find those the indicators, like I said, that we have tested here on the channel. The members are admins, and some of the other just regular members post regular trade analysis almost on a daily basis. They're posting trade analysis on different time frames, really giving you the ideal market conditions that you should be looking for to dial in a trading strategy, or to just kind of train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions. They're growing small accounts rather nicely, posting screenshots of some of the earnings that they have gotten from the trades that they're taking. And so, yeah, really, really great information in there. Like I said, whether you're a new trader just trying to, kind of get a foothold on trading, or you're an experienced trader looking to just be around like-minded people, maybe to bounce ideas off of, and so on. Again, I highly recommend join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. It's a great place to be. All right, so back to the indicator at hand here. So let's see, zoom all this in right about there, like that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 trading signals altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so again, another indicator just barely squeezes over that 60% marker that we are looking for. All in all, not a horrible indicator. I say that a lot to a lot of these indicators. Not horrible, but also not great. And so I feel like there are some better indicators out there. It's, could do good at kind of giving you an idea of gauging kind of market sentiment. But yeah, for now, we're going to put it on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.